Hey there, tech enthusiasts and ChatGPT users. Welcome back to Tech Things 360. Today, we've got something special for you. A deep dive into ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI language models. We'll be unveiling 10 incredible ChatGPT hacks that will help you get the most out of this AI tool. Whether you're a ChatGPT aficionado or just curious about what it can do, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss these fantastic ChatGPT hacks. Kicking off our list at number 1 is drafting emails and documents. ChatGPT can help you compose emails, reports, and other documents by providing suggestions and even generating content. At number 2, we have learning new languages. ChatGPT can assist you in learning a new language by providing translations, grammar tips, and conversational practice. Up next at number 3 is brainstorming ideas. ChatGPT can be your creative partner, helping you generate ideas for projects, content, and more. Number 4 on our list is coding and programming assistance. ChatGPT can help you with coding problems, offering code snippets and explanations. Coming in at number 5 is storytelling and content creation. Use ChatGPT to help you create engaging stories, articles, and social media content. Our 6th hack is problem solving and math assistance. ChatGPT can assist with complex maths problems, equations, and explanations. At number 7, we have language translation and transcription. ChatGPT can translate text or audio and transcribe spoken content, making it a versatile language tool. Number 8 on our list is generating ideas for business. Whether you're looking for product ideas, marketing strategies, or business plans, ChatGPT can offer valuable insights. Up next at number 9 is personalized recommendations. ChatGPT provides book, movie, or product recommendations based on your preferences and interests. Our final hack at number 10 is virtual conversational partner. Use ChatGPT for casual conversation, practice language skills, or simply have an engaging chat. There you have it, our list of 10 incredible ChatGPT hacks that can supercharge your productivity and creativity. ChatGPT is a versatile AI tool that can be your go-to assistant in various aspects of life. If you found this video inspiring and are excited to try out these ChatGPT hacks, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Things 360 for more exciting tech-related content.